That's okay. I'll pay for the trip. He's such a bad guy. He's like warning me beforehand that you will pay, okay? I will walk along, but you will pay for the stuff.
Yeah, but I will guide you in English, na?
Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. So,
Okay.
hi, Mahesh. I will start again. Okay, how are you? I'm gonna ask you again. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yes, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and what
Wh-
do you do?
I'm a student preparing for
Student.
compet. Yeah.
Okay. And
Don't I
preparing
look like
for?
a student?
No, you don't look like a student. I thought you must be working.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I'm working. I'm working.
You.
I'm
So you're
working on my
studying
English.
also, you're working also.
No, no. I'm working on my English.
That's smart. That's very good. Okay, you're working on your English. Okay. So how far have you reached till now with your spoken English skills?
Yeah, I have come far long because I'm not where I used to be,
Very nice. That's a good
but I'm
journey.
still not. But I'm still not where I want to be.
Okay, that's okay. We'll work on it. That's fine.
Yeah,
But at
yeah,
least you feel that you have moved ahead since
yeah,
the
yeah.
last time.
Sure.
Okay, that's good. So, how
And what
many
about you?
yeah, what about me?
Where are you from and what do you do?
I'm from Delhi. I live in Delhi. I'm a doctor by profession, and
Okay,
currently I'm doing my internship.
okay, that's great. And in the, I think yesterday I was watching a video on the Instagram that you people are enjoying river rafting in New Delhi.
Who is? We Delhi people. Oh yes, we
Yeah,
are. We are. Yes. It's like a huge outflow over here, and it's like, we don't really need cars or buses or motorbikes. We can just take our boats and just swim around. That's what we
yeah, yeah. Yeah, that was I saw. That was I saw when Sardarji was enjoying river rafting and thank you and saying thank you to the Arvind Kejriwal ji.
I cannot tell you how bad conditions can actually get over here, but it's okay. We are surviving. Delhi is famous for such things.
So
And
yeah, you people should be thankful to the CM of Delhi that they are giving you free river rafting
such experience, exactly. Such wonderful experience.
even
People are
without
actually
going.
paying. Yeah, people are
You,
actually paying to go and see such things. We are getting it for free.
yeah, you don't need to go Rishikesh and Kulu Manali.
You can get it over here only. That's the
You,
benefit.
you, you people are getting home delivery of river rafting. What amazing CM you have.
You are absolutely welcome, Mahesh. Please do make a plan of visiting Delhi sometime.
Yeah, yeah,
Let
yeah. I
me
visited.
show you what home delivery is.
I visited February 2020 in Delhi,
Okay.
but I didn't like Delhi so much. As per the capital, it's not up to the mark. It's very sad to see that India's capital is not very clean
Oof,
and the traffic are so bad there.
that's true.
To be
This
honest,
this is the
that's
biggest problem, the traffic and the pollution. It's
yeah,
really
pollution is much there.
yes.
And
But
my friends live there. They are preparing for UPSC
okay, all
as
right.
it is I think very famous for UPSC Delhi,
UPSC becomes like
part of a
it has
Delhi.
become, yes. It is like there are so many aspirants for UPSC, but
Yeah,
let's just hope they all make it, because I've heard that it takes a lot of courage
effort.
also, a lot of
Yeah,
efforts
yeah.
also for
Lot
preparing
of
such
hard
an
work.
exam. Yes,
It's
exactly.
not a cakewalk at all.
Oh no, it's not a cakewalk. Very true. Good. Great. How many sessions have you taken till now here on Flipping
It's
Words?
a 25 something.
25 sessions you've already taken.
Yeah.
Okay, so how are your sessions going?
Our session was amazing and I'm enjoying. And every time I speaking with almost new tutors like you, now I'm
Very
speaking with.
nice. That's good. So you have experienced like 25 different people.
Yeah, almost 25.
Perfect. This is actually the right way of going about.
Yeah,
you know.
and it gives a diversity of people, someone from Kerala, someone from Delhi, someone from Kashmir. So it's like Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
You'll get all the flavors here, all
Yeah,
flavors. The entire country is here on this platform,
yeah.
So you can actually
Yeah,
taste each flavor, and it is so, so good.
yeah, I'm touring whole India.
Yes, exactly. You're actually getting a tour. So are you
Yeah,
enjoying the whole, we cannot say the world tour, but let's say the country tour here on this platform?
yeah, I'm enjoying. Like now
That's lovely.
I'm in Delhi right now,
You're in Delhi right now. Yes. And I'm
and
in
doing
Madhya
river rafting,
Pradesh right now.
and I'm doing river rafting there.
Okay, let's ask you, Mahesh. If
Okay.
I go to Madhya Pradesh in future, whenever it is, so what are the things that I'm supposed to look out for?
I think if you visiting Madhya Pradesh, so there are some famous places which everyone know, like Khajuraho, Sanchi Stoops are there.
Okay. Sanchi Stupa, I've
Right.
heard of Sanchi Stupa. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I recommend you to visit Indore because I know Indore very well. I have been living in Indore since last 2 or 3 years for
Okay.
study purpose. So
For
I think
study. Okay.
Indore is kind of my second home.
Oh, it's like your second home.
So I
Okay.
know everything in Indore. So I would recommend you to at least visit Indore. You can visit anywhere in MP, but if you visiting MP, then you must visit Indore.
Indore. Okay.
And if you are foodie, then Indore can
Oh,
be the
yes.
best for you.
This is actually my second question for you. If I want to look out for food, then what all
Yeah, yeah,
food
yeah, yeah,
items
yeah.
I'm supposed to, go
Then
for?
I'm recommending you the right city.
Indore. Okay. What
Yeah,
is the famous
and
food there?
yeah, if talk about so poha and jalebi is the world famous in Indore. It's very famous poha.
Okay.
Though it is everywhere available, but when it comes to Indore, then Indore just like UPSC and Delhi, and it's poha and Indore.
Poha and Indore. Okay.
Yeah,
And what's with the jalebi?
yeah, poha and jalebi both are
Okay, both are
couple.
famous
They are
dishes.
couple.
Oh, they go hand in hand.
Yeah,
Okay, they are famous things of
and
Indore.
Indore is also cleanest city of India,
This
fifth
is what
time
we
in a
look
row.
out for.
Yeah,
That is
right.
very nice.
Really, very clean and hygiene, I would say. And Indori people are now because of the Indore people. Indore is the cleanest city, I would say.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Because now even when I went to Indore first time, so even I was throwing garbage here and there. But after living there for 1 and 2 year, I realized that how important it is. And
Yes.
even now, when any my friend is throwing any child's disposal or maybe anything, so I would say don't do that
Stop
and put
them.
in the dustbin. Yeah,
Yes.
and
That is
this is
so good.
very hardly you will find any people that someone throwing something on the roads and not in the dustbin.
Mm-hmm. They are very particular about these things,
Yeah,
that
now
they
they
are
have become.
supposed to keep their city clean and
Yeah,
healthy, etc.
and as they have got title of the cleanest city, so they don't want to lose it.
Yeah, they cannot afford to lose the title. That is there.
Yeah, and
That's
and
very
if
nice. That's a good thought.
yeah, and if you talk about food, so there is very famous market in Indore. It is Chappan Dukan. You can Google it.
Chappan Dukan. Okay, let me write it.
Yeah, so there are Chappan shops are there, 56.
Okay. So it is called Chappan Dukan. So that means there are 56 different shops
Six.
in that particular
And,
area.
and it is also world famous in Indore, I would say.
World famous in Indore. Okay. And
Yeah,
the shops are related to one particular thing, or it's a mixture of
Mm, yeah. It's mostly it is fast food.
fast food?
Yeah, but you
Okay.
can get everything there.
This should be fun. Oh, I
Yeah,
really want
and
to
it's like a foreign kind of environment there. Everything is neat and clean, and the shops are very
visit.
in a particular way, and you will get just like you are in foreign.
Wow.
And
How
it's
come
also
I am deprived of such a city? I cannot be. I have to be
yeah,
there.
you must visit that. And if you visit Indore, then you can call me, so I would take you to all the places.
You will have to be my guide, so it's settled.
But yeah, you will
Mahesh,
have to pay.
That's okay. I'll pay for the trip. He's such a bad guy. He's like warning me beforehand that you will pay, okay? I will walk along, but you will pay for the stuff.
Yeah, but I will guide you in English, na?
Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. Fine. The tour thing is on me, but you'll have to be my guide. Okay, you can
Yeah,
actually show me that this is the place, Parveen. You can go there, go
yeah.
that, and whatever it
There are
is.
many famous places like one similar market is there, Sarafa Market. This is also famous for foods.
Okay.
Sarafa Market.
All right.
And there is a Rajwada also, Holkar dynasty's place, Rajwada place.
Okay. What
And
is that place about?
it's place about Holkar dynasty. Holkar's palace. Holkar, have you heard of Holkar dynasty?
Okay. It's like an ancient thing.
Yeah, it's a kind of place where Holkar queen and kings used to live.
Okay. Okay. So it becomes like a sightseeing kind of a thing.
Yeah, and apart from that, there is a Lal Bagh also.
Okay.
Uh,
Wow, this sounds so much fun.
yeah,
Okay. Indore. It has to be Indore. Yeah, you
yeah.
know, I have covered almost the entire country, all directions, let's say the corners. My middle
Oh,
portion is left. Madhya
yeah.
Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra.
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan is done. Rajasthan is the
Okay.
first place
So
that got
have
done
you
because I love
have you
Rajasthan.
been Chittorgarh?
Yes, we went to Chittorgarh.
So
I
it's
visited, yeah.
just 15 kilometers away from my village.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's good. Chittorgarh is that Padmavat one, right? Where
Yeah. Padmavati Palace is also there.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
And you know, one of the best things about Rajasthan, you have heard of Nahargarh Fort?
Yeah, Nahargarh, Kumbhalgarh, many
I am
forts.
in love with that place. Nahargarh is actually the most beautiful place I've ever been to. It's so
Okay.
dramatic. The way when you're on top of that tower or that fort, you can actually see the entire city. And it's like, you know, the world ends here. The world
Yeah.
has to end here.
Also love ancient places like
Even
fort and all.
me.
Yeah,
Yes, exactly. I really like Rajasthan is such a fascination thing.
amazing grass.
It's
Udaipur, if you've been to
so
Udaipur.
mesmerizing. No, I left Udaipur. Udaipur,
Why,
it has to
why,
be
why,
Udaipur.
why, why?
I have no idea. It was
I
Jaipur, and after that, you've heard of Choki Dhani.
no, Chokidani.
25 kilometers from Jaipur is Choki Dhani, which is also so
Why,
pretty.
why, why you missed Udaipur?
I
It
have
is
no
Paris of
idea. I have
India. It is
no
Paris
idea.
of India, man. You can't miss that.
It has to be Udaipur and Indore. These
Yeah.
places I have to cover before I die.
Even Ambani's daughter marriage took place in Udaipur. Just imagine
Udaipur.
how amazing it can be.
We don't care about Ambani's. We will have our own experience going to the
Yeah, but this is
city.
that much famous.
Wow.
Many celebrities destination wedding taking place in Udaipur.
Mhm. I've heard like Udaipur has a very intricate architecture.
Yeah.
It's
You are right.
quite good. And what about Jaisalmer?
Jaisalmer is all, I think it's all about desert and all.
Oh, okay. All right. So let's leave Jaisalmer. It has to be Udaipur.
Yeah, and if you visit Indore, then it should be amazing.
It's like the best of the best. Udaipur,
Yeah,
Indore becomes the best of the best.
yeah. No,
Okay,
I also love Udaipur, but I have been living in Indore, so I would
you will
recommend Indore.
support Indore. Yes.
I'm biased.
Please don't be biased. Have you been to South?
No, I have been to the upper part of India.
Okay. If you ever plan on going to the south of the country, please go to Kerala. Your
Yeah,
first
God's
place
own
in south
country.
has to be Kerala.
God's own country.
It is mesmerizing. Kerala is actually, you know, a place where, you know, you wouldn't want to return from that place. You would be like, let's
Ah,
just start living here only. That's how
yeah,
beautiful Kerala is.
then my next plan is going to
Kerala.
Kerala.
I've given you a destination. You've given me a destination. What else do we need? We are settled.
Yeah,
We are settled. So
yeah,
these are our targets. We need to cover these as soon as possible. But I
Yeah.
don't know when this is going to happen because the COVID thing is shit right now. But anyway,
Yeah.
let's hope so. Okay. Coming to an end, Mahesh, one or two things that I would like to point out. You speak well, not an issue. But
Okay.
grammatical problems here and there can be brushed up a little. Okay. Like when you said, I visited February in Delhi. Okay.
To Delhi
So
should be.
this sentence is a little mismatched. It has to be, I visited Delhi, okay, in February. So the structure of the sentence was a little here.
Yeah, this is the problem with me. Sometime in the flow, I just
Yeah,
lose
you just go.
the structure.
That's okay. And then when you say the places, it's hygiene.
Yeah.
It has to be it's hygienic.
Yeah.
Place is hygienic.